Set within 2.4 hectares of preserved grounds, this 1973 Jacques Couëlle signature property is a rare masterpiece where sculptural architecture and landscape become one. A unique setting in absolute tranquility with sea views of almost the entire French Riviera, including the Bay of Cannes, with the Alps as a backdrop. Due to its rare and dominant position, the property merges with the landscape. The unique design and architecture blends beautifully with its Hectares mountains. The villa is defined by organic curves, flowing volumes, and abundant natural light. The living areas open naturally onto multiple terraces and patios. The estate offers 13 en-suite bedrooms, including 4 independent apartments with private terraces, as well as a professional kitchen. From this upper terrace, you can directly access the leisure terrace below with its rim flow pool, the indoor gym, and the beautifully appointed spa area with a sauna, a hammam, and a jacuzzi. Beautifully landscaped gardens surround the villa, with creative and artfully decorated areas that marry effortlessly with the shapes of the house and the rock on which it is built. From the ornate iron gate to the tasteful design, the exquisite views, and beautiful gardens, this property enjoys a harmonious flow in total peace and tranquility, leaving absolutely nothing to be desired. This magnificent home is a fine and very rare work of art.